Alright, this is an unboxing of a wheelchair. The little baby duck there's got a bad hip. So we need it to have something to support it. I got this on Amazon. Paper comes in parts. Looks like 2 back wheels. It's got the little feeder container with water for water and food. It's got straps. I didn't see them on the thing. Now you're buzzing, baby.
I know.
And then the base, where the little legs stick out of. Right here. Oh.
I do.
Well, she'll grow into it.
Right.
Got a little poop spot. Little booty. And the package. Let me open this up. Okay. These are the front wheels. And then it just undo this guy here. And slide the wheel in to the height you need. And it goes right in it. Hold on. Putting it on, the little star broke. A little piece broke off of it, but it's still screwed in tight. We're going to put it as low as possible for because she's a tiny, tiny ducky. And we'll put the other front wheel on and the back wheels on. I think the whole reason that it broke is because the lowest setting rubs the bottom here. And I twisted it too hard. And then it rolls around pretty easy. No big deal. And then the food tray has a little slot on the bottom. Just slides right into here. Food and water. And then the straps go through these slots in different spots to hold her down so she doesn't fall off of it. These little slots. So I'll get the strap in there. You can pull this to tighten it up on them. Do the strap, you got to go in this side, up, over, and then back out. And that way it doesn't come loose. It still will, but not as easy. I guess maybe that's the way. Maybe we'll read the instructions. There's always that. And of course, they don't really tell you how that strap goes in. But it just needs to be snug enough on them, you know, to where they can't just fall out. But the second one here might interfere with the legs. I don't know how that'll work.
Well, the legs are supposed to go down through.
Yeah, but the strap is going to be here and through here.
Well, I think as it
I think her legs will be fine. Yeah.
If she's bigger, you'd put it back here.
Yeah. But even just the one strap will probably hold her like you need it. So, anyways, we'll see how she does on another video. I'll put this one in the description below. Just click the link. It was the cheapest one I found on Amazon. Peace.